Hello friends! I'm Andy, who loves colors and magical adventures. Today, we're setting off into a vibrant forest. We'll meet 5 friendly animals, each sporting a special hue. Find red items around. Adventure with red is everywhere. Well done, friends! Our first color is complete. Ready for more? Let's keep exploring. Parrots use bright feathers to talk. They love to mimic sounds, just like we mimic words. When you say red, the parrot hears you. Learning and play go hand in hand. Ready for our next colorful friend? Following a glittering stream, we hear gentle quacks. Look there, a yellow duck drifts on sparkling water. Its feathers shimmer like sunshine. Andy kneels near the shore and waves. A yellow duck, he exclaims. Yellow, yellow. Together we echo softly, yellow. Ducks help us remember yellow shapes. They float on ponds and waddle on land. Can you quack along? Quack, quack. Great! Ducks love to explore watery worlds. Yellow feels bright and warm. It sparks happiness. When we learn yellow, we learn joy. Let's play a game. Find a yellow toy or drawing. Point to it. Yes, point. You did it. Yellow is all around. In flowers, in raincoats, in socks. Share yellow finds with someone. Tell them, this is yellow. Keep saying it. Yellow. Practice makes perfect. Early learners love repetition. That's why we repeat color names. Repeat again. Yellow, yellow. The duck dives, then pops up. Fun fact: ducks have waterproof feathers that keep them dry. Splash around with yellow wonder. Yellow sparks creative play. It invites smiles and giggles. Children learn faster when they play. Let's follow Andy to the next scene. Deeper in the forest, we spy a hidden pond. Its surface glistens in shades of blue. Look, a blue fish flips out of water, droplets sparkling. We cheer together. Blue. Fish love clear waters and open skies. The color blue reminds us of calm clouds. Blue soothes our minds. Repeat after me. Blue. Great job. Now let's learn more. Blue fish use fins to glide. They dart through tall plants. Can you wave like fins? Wave. You did it. Learning by moving helps us remember. Blue items are everywhere. A blue shirt, a blue cup, maybe a blue crayon. Point to blue things around you. Show them to a friend or family member. Say, "This is blue." Good work. Blue equals peace and wonder. It opens our world. Parents, color games boost memory. Children notice blue details fast. Fun fact: some blue fish change shades to hide. How cool! Let's celebrate our blue discovery with a big wave. Ready for green? Let's go! When we see blue, our heart relaxes. Blue inspires creativity in children. Keep watching for more colors up ahead. Through dew-kissed ferns, we spot a tiny green frog. Its skin gleams like morning leaves. Andy crouches low. "A green frog," he whispers. "Green, green," repeats softly. "Green." Frogs leap and hop. They love to hop on lily pads. Can you hop like a frog? Hop, hop. Nice work. Green feels fresh like new spring grass. It tells us nature is alive. Learning green connects us to Earth. Let's play again. Find green around you, a leaf, crayon, or toy. Show it high. Good. Say, "Green." Wonderful. Kids who repeat colors learn faster. Green practice makes our minds stronger. Fun fact: some frogs change color to hide. Amazing! Nature teaches us. Green stands for growth and energy. Take a deep breath. Feel the green forest in your lungs. Ready to find our last friend? Here we go. Green guides our eyes to forests, fields, and gardens. It helps plants grow. Green shows life. When you see green, think growth. Parents, ask your child about green items in nature. Finally, we step into a clearing bathed in sunset hues. Look, they're under orange blossoms. A playful orange tiger pads softly across warm ground. Its stripes glow like fiery lanterns. Andy grins wide. "An orange tiger," he says. "Orange, orange." Together we shout, "Orange." Tigers wear bright coats to stand out. Orange feels warm like sunshine and pumpkins. Can you stretch tall like a tiger? Stretch. Roar. Nice roar. Learning orange is fun. Orange things are all around. An orange ball, an orange hat, or crunchy leaves in fall. Show someone your orange find. Say, "This is orange." Repeat again, "Orange." Early color games spark excitement. Fun fact: tigers use night vision to hunt. They blend with forests at dusk. Colors help animals hide or show. Learning these words helps us understand nature. Parents, ask kids to find orange foods, like carrots and oranges. Talk about their taste and texture. Strong associations make color names stick. Now give me a big roar. Let's celebrate orange together. Orange inspires laughter and warmth. It reminds us of cozy sunsets. When you think orange, feel happiness. Repeat the word every day. Let's carry orange energy in our hearts and minds. Gather close, friends. It's time to sing our color song together. Let's review each name. First comes red. Say red. Next is yellow. Yellow. Then our cool blue. Blue. Now joyful green. Green. One more time louder. Red. Yellow. Blue. Green. Orange. Amazing. You remember all 5. Colors make our world spark. Clap your hands if you love colors. Clap, clap. Learning colors helps you grow. Early practice builds strong minds. Each color helps you see beauty everywhere. Parents and friends, join us. Sing along. Ready for our grand finish? Let's shout all together. Red, yellow, blue, green, orange. Fantastic. You did it. You learned your colors. High five. Every time you practice, colors stick better. Talk about red apples, yellow suns, blue skies, green trees, orange pumpkins. Play color games anytime. Your brain shines with color knowledge. Your color champions. Fantastic work, friends. Today we learned red, yellow, blue, green, orange. Each color opens our minds. You practiced, you played, you sang. You're growing smarter every day. Keep exploring colors in your world. Ask someone to join your next adventure. Colors are everywhere waiting for you. Share your color discoveries with friends and family. Ask someone to spell the color names with you. Thanks for coming along. I'm Andy, your explorer friend. See you in our next journey. Bye-bye. Have fun. Explore your own legs to jump
far.
far. Your yard.
They croak
Friendly
friendly
tune at night.
Croak.
Croak.